Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the form so emails can be routed. Open the form, enable collect email addresses. This gives each response an address to send to. Once done, check responses and the three-dot menu to turn on get email notifications for new responses if basic alerts suffice. If you need customized messages, make the decision now. Install a notifications add-on or use app script. Make sure you have edit access and permission to run scripts before moving to the next step. Now implement a custom email via app script so you control content. Open the script editor and add an on-form submit function that reads values or the event object. Format the subject and body using answers that matter. Once coded, use mail app. Send email, recipient, subject, body, or Gmail app if you need HTML. Save and name the project, then authorize the script the first time. Make sure the script parses the timestamp and the email field correctly so messages go to the right recipient. Finish by installing a trigger so emails fire automatically. Open triggers, add a new trigger for your on-form submit function, choose head deployment, and the from spreadsheet/form on-form submit event. Once done, submit test responses to confirm delivery and inspect execution logs for errors. If the email doesn't arrive, make sure the trigger is active, the script has Gmail/send permissions, and the recipient field is correct. Troubleshooting tip. Check the execution log and error messages in app's script to pinpoint permission or runtime issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.